Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold edges up. Gold prices rose to around 3350 per ounce on Monday, marking a second straight session of gains as investors' anxiety grew over President Donald Trump's tariff policy. And if we look at the chart of gold, we can see that after the market opening, market took support around 3345 area. In our previous video, we discussed about support around 44, but almost it came to 44 and market bounced. And right now, market is trading comfortably around 335859. This is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame to understand the levels better. If you have watched my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, you can see that there is no change with the levels. The levels are still very much the same. If you have already marked those levels, then you don't need to change anything. But yes, the good news is that, okay, we got a normal market opening because for the last couple of months, the Monday market was behaving like a US session, but today we got a silent market opening. Market took support around this particular zone and market went up. So during the day, especially before the US session, if we see market coming down, then we can expect the level of 334541 to provide support to the market again. Why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support. And remember, we also had FIBO 38.2. Yes, that is also present. So if we combine all the factors, then 4541, okay, this particular level is a support zone for the market. And when the volume is not very high, okay, when the market is not giving us any surprises in the form of selling pressure, we can expect market to take support around this area. If it does, we can look for a buy position. And as we have already discussed in a previous video also, if there is a sudden selling pressure, market breaks this particular area, then we have the next support around 3334 and 3332. This is the next support zone because this green box, okay, this green box is the level where market has taken support previously. So in case this level fails to provide support to the market, we can expect 3334, 3332 to act as the support. Okay, and in this situation, I believe that this should be the range of the market. But after all, gold is full of surprises, isn't it? कुछ भी हो सकता है. So we can expect that in case market drops with heavy selling pressure, then we have the next support around 332928, then 3320. Okay, these are all Fibonacci retracement levels that we have already discussed in our previous videos. I do not want to go in detail and waste your time. Okay, and ultimately we have a support around 331310, but chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. As of now, market is simply trading in this particular portion. So let's focus here on. Okay, and as you must be already knowing that we do not have any particular trend, strong trend on gold right now. Some are saying that gold has become bullish, gold has become bearish. No, if we look at the daily chart of gold, you can clearly see the overall trend of gold. Yes, undoubtedly bullish, but do we have any trend right now? No, we do not have any trend present in the market. And if we look at the hourly chart also, you can clearly see that we have a choppy market, not a sideways market where support, okay, where we can buy at support, sell at resistance. Because when market trades in the range, जब market एक range में trade करता है, okay, it becomes easy for us when we get a market like this. We just need to wait. We buy at support, sell at resistance. But you can clearly see that the chart of gold is not sideways, it is choppy. The previous levels are not working perfectly, so you need to be a little bit careful. And my dear friend, if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, please join. The link will be in the description. In the morning also I posted, okay, my analysis and many other things. So for regular updates, analysis, feel free to join the free Telegram community, because if anything crazy happens, for example, during the US session, you will get an update in the community. Okay, and be careful also, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, you can see there's a big community with 72,000 subscribers. These all are scams. Okay, so The smallest group is fine, okay, and only join the community, okay, from the link in the description. Anyways, these are the trading opportunities where we can look for buy, okay, if market goes down. But now we can see that gold is going up. So yes, as we have already discussed on Saturday also, that if market breaks this particular level, we can look for a buy. Especially if you see that gold is going above 3360, we can look for a buy. But in the morning, in the group, I mentioned one thing, that okay, before breakout, okay, always try to look for a consolidation. For example, okay, for example, we have a resistance around 3362, and right now while recording the video, gold is trading around 335859. So obviously gold is going up, but how do we get the confirmation that this breakout is going to be a real one, isn't it? Breakout and false breakouts are very hard to differentiate. So here always wait for consolidation. Right now we can see the move of the market has started from here, no consolidation yet. So once market hits 336162 area, observe the market. Okay, if you see the market is unable to cross the resistance, market is struggling like this, okay, you see some consolidation, it is a good sign. It is really a good sign. It means that market is gaining energy. Next time, or in the next attempt when market will be going up, then you can go for a buy, because after a consolidation, when a breakout comes, it is a powerful one. So let the market consolidate. Okay, right now we don't see any consolidation right now, but if market consolidates around this area and then market goes for a breakout, then it will be a better thing to do. Okay, we can buy. And obviously 3375, okay, is standing at the top right now. Okay, the role of 337576 is still very unclear, but as we all know, market needs to cross 3375, then only we can expect that gold is bullish again. Until unless gold is unable to cross 3375, it will be a choppy or sideways market only. And in a market condition like this, obviously you need to be careful, because as we have already discussed, in sideways market, buy at support, sell at resistance. If it is a trending market, for example, if gold is bullish, then we only buy at dip or we buy at breakout. If gold is falling, we sell at breakdown or we sell at resistance, sell on rise. These are the simple strategies that you can follow and make money. But in a market condition like this, where the market is choppy, the previous levels are not working, you need to be extra careful. That's why I requested you guys last week also that if you're finding it difficult to trade, अगर आपको मुश्किल हो रहा है trade करने में on gold right now, then okay, we can look for opportunities outside gold as well, because it's important to make money in the market, not to make money only by trading gold, isn't it? And by difference, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker after the case of Exness, then you can consider joining Star Traders. Star Trader is not only better and safer option, okay, it is also providing insurance up to $1 million and also provides compensation up to 20,000 euros from financial commission. So you don't need to worry about your hard-earned money. And if you're from India, अगर आप India से हो, you get a swap free account, lifetime swap free account, and also you get the best spread in the industry if you join with the link here. Your spread will be around 17 to 18 on gold only. And if you're from other part of the world, then also you can join with Star Trader. You get a 14-day swap free policy. And the best thing is that, okay, you also get access to my WhatsApp community. Okay, so if you join under my referral, then just, okay, WhatsApp me. Okay, that Avilash, I have used your link to join Star Trader. Okay, I will add you to that group. So if you want to know more about Star Trader, okay, and why Star Trader is one of the best option for you, okay, if you'll find all the information on my website. A few days ago, we also had interview session with the CEO of Star Trader. Okay, you can also watch this video. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And gold has been crazy. Be careful. Let's see how does the US session reacts. Okay, I will update in the community if anything crazy happens.